All right, this is the 2018 Ford Fiesta. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the headlights, okay? So, I'm in the driver's side part of the vehicle. I'm going to look to the left-hand side right here. Do you see right here? This is the controls for the side for the headlights, okay? Currently, it is in the off position, so the headlights are off. This right here is the parking lights, okay? The parking lights. And this right here indicates that the headlights are on, all right? Now, do you see this little bulb thing with an A in the middle? That right there is the automatic switch. So your headlights will turn on if it gets dark enough outside to where you need your headlights. I usually keep my vehicle in that way, so that way I don't forget to turn off my headlights and I don't forget to turn them on, okay? That's what I do, all right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn them off, okay? That's how you turn on and off the headlights on the 2018 Ford Fiesta. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.